Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create an essay with ChatGPT. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to the chatgpt.com on your computer, or you can also open up the ChatGPT from your mobile phone. And here I have opened the ChatGPT from my computer. And here, if we want to create an essay, we just need to write a prompt or command to the ChatGPT or the ChatGPT. And for example, I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to create an essay about climate change. So I'm just going to type in make an essay about climate change with 4 paragraphs. Just like this, and I'm going to click on enter, and we just need to wait for a moment until the ChatGPT has created an essay for us. And after the process completed, you can just copy the essay like this and wait, it's still processing guys. Okay, and now it's done. And if you want to copy, you can click on this option, or you can select the text and right click and copy. Okay guys, and that's how we can create an essay with ChatGPT. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.